Assalamu alaikum dear student of grade 5. We will discuss about unit number 1, the life cycle of plant. You are seeing a picture in which two boys and one girl talking to each other about seed, plant, and one boy asking that he plant a tree on its birthday every year. So you are seeing a tiny seed. One boy is very astonishing about that, how from one seed a complete plant is grow, and the other one girl is putting a seed in the soil, and you are seeing a different size of different plant and also a big plant behind the scene. So that is the life cycle of plant. In this chapter we will discuss in detail about the changes which will occur during this life cycle of plant. Here is a flow chart in which plants are categorized into two plants, non-flowering plants and flowering plants. But here we will discuss only about flowering plants, the life cycle of plants. Plants reproduce sexually. Sexually mean male female, यानी पेरेंट्स जब इन्वॉल्व होंगे तो हम उसे सेक्सुअली रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं, जो कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ पॉलिनेशन विच विल बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ पॉलिनेशन and fertilization, and after the fertilization fruits and seeds are formed and seed dispersed by a method we will discuss in this chapter. In this chapter we will know about the reproduction, life cycle of flowering plant, about seed and the condition which are necessary for the growth of seed. Plants reproduce which have male and female organs we will discuss in this chapter. Flowers which are pollinated and then fertilized, and the seed how dispersal in a variety of ways. First question is that why do plants reproduce? Okay, what is the conditions behind this? What are the reasons for this plants are reproduced? First thing is that living things do not live forever. Living things will die one day. Some living things have short lifespan, some living thing has long lifespan, but every living thing must die. So for the continuity of their own kind, living things reproduce. Just like plants are also living things, and it is also reproduced to ensure the continuity of their own kind. In the second para, it is the answer that plants reproduce to ensure the continuity of their own kind. But this continuity will be done with the help of seed. Most plants reproduce by seed. However, some do not produce from seeds. They have other ways to produce young. यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे प्लांट्स भी हैं जो विदाउट सीड भी जो है वो ग्रो कर सकते हैं. उनमें से फर्स्ट जो है वो जो डिस्कस किए गए फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ दैट फर्न्स, moss and algae. Fern, moss and algae reproduce from spore. Second, potato and ginger. Some plants reproduce from plant parts, just like birds found on the underground stem of potato and ginger will grow into a new plant. And the third example is bryophyllum. Young plant will grow on the leaf margin of the bryophyllum plant you are seeing in this picture. So this is the method through which plant can reproduce. Firstly plants reproduce from seeds, and there are other ways through which plants can reproduce. If plant didn't reproduce, we have some information. Living things that cannot ensure survival and continue their own kind become extinct. Extinct mean they will finished. We have doesn't any kind of it in this world. तो उनकी कोई भी स्पीशी, उनकी कोई भी काइंड जो है वो हमें नहीं मिलेगी अगर जो है वो उनके अंदर रिप्रोडक्शन का फिनोमिना नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ टू एग्जांपल्स हैं, यनन मलवा एंड वुड्स कैकेट्स, जो कि एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुके हैं. आप इसके अलावा भी नेट पर सर्च कर सकते हैं इसको. Then we are seeing a life cycle life cycle of flowering plant, in which first stage is seed, and this seed converted into seedling. Seed germinate into seedling. Seedling means small plant. This seedling small plant grow into adult plant with the help of energy from light, and this adult plant bears flowers. After some time, flowers is converted into fruit, and fruit having a seed, and thus then seed is dispersed again, and this is the complete life cycle of plant. Clear? There is any question about it?